Okay, on fait des courses. Let's go shopping. On va faire du shopping. It's getting a little late as I'm making this recording. On va faire du shopping maintenant. On va faire des courses. So let's go through our vocabulary. You're going to notice some words like un and une and different things like that. We're just going to go through the clothing right now. So as we go around the page here, we're shopping in the market in Dakar. So we've got un chemisier, and that's a blouse, all right? Un jean, des sandales, un chapeau, une casquette, des lunettes de soleil, une jupe, that's a skirt, une robe, une chemise, that's a button-down dress shirt typically worn by a man. Une veste, false cognate, so that's going to be like a jacket. Un tailleur, that's a pantsuit. Think Hillary Clinton. Un costume, not a costume for Halloween, mansuit. Then we're going to go over here and we've got une écharpe, which is a winter scarf. Un anorak, think parka. Un pantalon, pants. Un pull, like a pullover, a sweater. Un manteau, a coat. An imperméable, it's impermeable to the weather, that's your raincoat. Un foulard, which is a dress scarf. Des bottes, une cravate, it's a tie in case you can't tell there. Des chaussettes, and des chaussures. When I say things, you should be saying back. Now, things that things might be made out of. En jean versus un jean. En jean, denim. En lin, linen. En soie, silk. If it's tight, it's étoi or étoile. And if it's tight, another way to say it is serré or large if it's loose.